Hello guys, and welcome to another lecture on HTML and CSS. In this lecture I'm going to talk about IDEs, editors, and frameworks. So we already know what editors are, and we've been working for the past lectures with an editor which is called Notepad++, which is really a good editor, and it's very popular right now. But for larger projects and more advanced projects, like creating a social network like Facebook or something like eBay, you need an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now, professional developers use this because it's a lot easier to search for errors, and it brings a lot of functionalities that Notepad or other simple editors don't have. So you also have great debugging tools, so you can search for errors in your code, and you also have awesome features integrated in this editor to work with a team of developers. Okay, so the IDEs are very good for teams of developers create a complex project. Now, we are still in the beginning of our career, so you still have a lot to learn before you start using an IDE, okay? But don't worry, we'll get to IDEs later on the course. We also have, or you might also heard about frameworks. Now, frameworks are also something that you will use when you know how to create advanced projects and how to use PHP, jQuery, all those advanced programming languages that we're going to learn later on the course that will help you create a complex project. Framework is basically a group of files that have code in it, and it can be reusable, so they are already configured to work on a specific project or for a specific project. What this means is that there are frameworks that give you the opportunity to start your project without having to do everything from scratch. Okay, you already have a lot of libraries and files and code that you can use on your project, so you can save some time on the project. Okay, all of this is for advanced projects with a lot of developers working together. So don't worry about this right now. I just wanted to give you an introduction to this because you might hear a lot of these words, IDEs, frameworks, so you now know what they mean, okay? I'll get back to these later on the course and get more in depth on these subjects. Okay, guys? So this is everything for now, and see you guys on the next lecture. Bye.